Welcome, in front of me is Soyo M4 Pro Mini PC, and in this video I will show you how to download Google Chrome web browser on it. So first of all, open the Microsoft Edge web browser or any other browser that you have on your PC. Then open the search engine. I will use Google, but you can use any search engine of your preference. After you open it, search for the Google Chrome, but let's wait until it loads up. So in the following field, enter Google Chrome. Then press enter and wait for the results to appear. And as you can see, the first result is from the google.com website, google.com/Chrome, and it says Google Chrome, the fast and secure web browser built to be something. That's what we need. Click this search result and wait until the following page loads up. And once this page loads up, just click download Chrome icon in the middle of the screen. Then wait until the setup file is downloaded on your computer. Then just run it by clicking on it, and at this point you can close your web browser. Then click yes and wait until the browser is downloaded and installed on your computer. And once it's downloaded and installed, it will automatically open on your screen. Right now you can choose whether to sign in or not to sign in to your Google account. If you want to sign in, then of course select this first option. Otherwise, go with the second one, and then you'll be able to choose whether you want to set this browser as your default one. If you do, click set as default. Otherwise, click skip and do this later. And then scroll down and either select turn it on if you want to turn on and add privacy feature in your browser, and if you don't want to do that, just click no thanks. Then wait for a while and then scroll all the way down and click got it. And right now you are free to use your brand new Google Chrome web browser. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.